This small creek right here was actually loaded with tons and tons of gold nuggets. Right here, we're getting another signal. Let's go ahead and see what we get. Make sure you stay to the end because we got a nice nugget.
That's a good sign. It's not that far down. Ugh. Damn. Oh yeah, it's a nice little crevice here too. Oh, look at that. Right off of a cliff. You see the drop? Get all the dirt in there. I bet you whatever it is, it's in there. Yeah, cut the fuck out of my hand.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, why is my finger burning? Yuck. That shit hurts.
You gotta move.
It's still in there.
Shovel.
I think you just gotta... do you feel anything in the middle? Is there anything in there? Yeah, grab the dirt too. In that hole, so here, fuck it, let's just do this. Let's shovel it. It'll probably be quicker. You got the shovel right behind you. I got. Try to go like, where's the crevice? Yeah, go like this down into it. Because you see how it's like it goes like down, like a slide.
And put it into the pan.
Let's put it in the pan.
Oh, no,
oh, there it is. Good. There it is. Look at that. Another nuggie. Oh. Is there anything else in there?
So glad you caught that joint right there and then.
Bro, anything? Put it in the pan. There. Hold on. There could be something still down there. See how it was like jammed right there? Nope. That was it. Oh. Yeah, move the pan. Something's here. Look like another doggy, bro. Another one just for you.